We're going to a farm today. Does anyone want to say hi back there? They can barely hear me. We're going to a farm. What we're doing? We have cows. Wow. Farm time. So here we are at the farm. Hopefully we'll get some good shots of the kids enjoying themselves. Beautiful farmhouse here. This place belongs to the former YWAM leaders, who are the parents of the current, one half of the current YWAM leaders. They're awesome people. We got to meet them the other day, have a good discussion, and looking forward to exploring their beautiful homestead. It's a dairy farm. Well, we have Jessie here. Jessie, how are you doing? What are we doing here today?
We're at the dairy farm.
Yes.
With YWAM.
Nice. Yeah. And so, like, do you know what we're actually doing? Like,
I have no idea. We're just kind of playing around right now.
Yeah.
See the cows?
Yep, there's some cows. And lunch here, I guess, probably.
Yes.
Looks like there's a barbecue that's in the making, or some kind of food thing. It's around lunchtime. Do you have any information about what we're doing today? Because I actually do not fully know, but I'll get some more cows in the background while you tell me.
Yeah. Eating lunch.
Yeah.
And I think we're going on a hike.
Oh. Well,
That's
good thing I wore shoes.
Yes.
Do you have shoes? Yeah, you have
Yeah,
shoes.
my hiking shoes.
Shoes. Perfect. Okay. Thanks. Bye. Whoop. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
What were you just doing?
Going on the swing.
Oh, cool. Is that fun?
Yeah.
All right. Love you.
I love you too.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What are we doing here today?
Oh, at the dairy farm?
Yeah, what are we doing at the dairy farm today?
I don't really know.
That's okay. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Have you seen any cows here?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
At the dairy farm?
Yeah.
I bet if you look really hard, you can see some right now. What's William doing?
Playing cricket.
Well,
Cricket.
there you go. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Let's put all that in.
Alright.
Hi, everyone. This is Greg.
Hey,
Greg is awesome.
I think so.
Yes. And he's one of the staff at the base. Greg, do you have any message for all the people out there in the world who are
Do I
watching
have a
YouTube?
message for the world?
Yes.
Well, my message for the world is that love God, love people. Yeah.
A controversial take from Greg. I don't know. Controversial take. Love God and love people.
Love
You
New
know
Zealand.
what? Love New Zealand. Oh, he's off the rails. I gotta cut this interview short, folks. All right, thanks, Greg. See ya.
Yeah.
God always gives me so much. Like in my journals, I love writing, I love rhyming, but I have zero music inclination at all. Zero. So I had a friend in Romania, and he likes.
You are so close. You are so close. You want to say hi? Or not? Okay. Oh.
Oreo. I remember.
Oreo? I'm being forsaken by Oreo.
I don't know.
Utterly forsaken. Okay. All right. Utterly. Utters. Cows. Nailed it. Nailed the joke. What? What are you staring at?
He knows you're taking a movie.
I'm taking a movie. Yeah, that's right. Look, I'm a human. I can do what I want. I got a phone. Bye. Sorry. Sorry. Cow pun that I can't think of.
Should I say something intelligent? Or?
I'm not sure what the YouTube audience wants with the algorithm. So this is Antti. He's from Finland.
Hey?
You should say, what advice do you have for the people out there who are watching YouTube?
Stop watching YouTube. Do something constructive with your life.
That's right. Like and subscribe. That's good advice. Like and subscribe. Thank you. So there's a lot of constructive stuff on YouTube, guys. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there we have it. I'm just gonna keep filming, okay?
Okay. This is not uncomfortable or anything.
It's pretty stuff.
I was just started filming and you're like, it's an apple. Whoops.
Yeah, the shrimpers are lit, right? They're with the plastic rings. So, yeah, every day, at the moment we've got a blue field every day. And we try and find the field with the longest run.
Avocados.
Gets sucked into here and goes up to the milk pipe. So we do 33 cows down this side, and when they're finished, we kink it, take it off, and then we put them over on this side, 33 cows. And we're milking about 300 cows in 1 hour. Yeah. So 300 cows per hour with two good men, or teenagers, yeah, or children. So it's pretty fast, yeah. And each cow, so we're doing about 5,000 litres per day. And the milk truck comes every 2 days and picks up 10,000 litres.
Do you pasteurize here?
No, it is raw milk and it goes to the factory and then it gets processed into cheese, butter, milk powder, whatever products they want. Yeah. So
What happens to the other 20?
To the other 20 what?
Cows, you said 300 come.
300, yeah, so
I'm just teasing you.
yeah, we have 320 cows, but it's like a byproduct of cows for the one. Alright, I'll show you I'll show you where the milk goes. So it goes and then he pulls the handle open and all the milk comes out very fast. Yeah. Have a little bit of liquid milk for people to drink. The rest goes to China, America, Europe, Australia, all around the world. There's a factory just down the road that does mozzarella cheese for Pizza Hut in America, for example. Yeah. And then there's all the butter.
Don't mind the hood. It's hot and I can feel the sun coming down on my head. Anyways, really beautiful look into the farmland here. It's a nice place. And it's a beautiful day. I'd say it's probably 22 Celsius, something like that. 23. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, that's probably what it was an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago. Probably more like 25, 26 now. But not a cloud in the sky. Feels like a scene from a movie almost. So peaceful afternoon. It's weird that it's February and it's like this. Because, I mean, I grew up in Western Canada. In the 80s and the 90s, the winters were a lot cooler, a lot colder than they are now. But still, it's winter back home. And being here in this like picturesque, idyllic pasture land is kind of nice. I just heard the wife laugh. Leona's laughing up there. Maybe you could hear that too. Infectious. Yeah. So it's good to get off of the YWAM base. It's not a bad place to be. But yeah, you get a little cabin fever and you want to just move to like another location. So going into town sometimes, to Matamata, we went there yesterday, got a cappuccino, and going out to this is kind of nice. Change of pace, change of location. It's not like we need a big break from all of the work that we're doing there. It's easy. Look behind me. See, it's nice. Right? Beautiful. Yeah, it's not like we need a huge break because it's pretty easy. Just go to lectures and pray, talk to people, prepare for outreach, do chores. You know, it's easier than day-to-day life at home. Not a lot to think about. But still, nice to get a little bit of a change of pace. Challenges are different. They're easier, but there are some challenges, I guess. Think about that more later. For today, it's a nice day.
I can take Noelle, I can walk back. You can walk up to the top. I can grab her.
We're going to the top. We're going to be there.
Oh, yeah.
Can we buy meat from them? He sells them to the meat factory. So it's the same, like 98% of
So beautiful.
with dairy farming, they lots and lots of water and lots and lots of grass and not too hot.
Right. This is Dennis. He's from
Pittsburgh.
America, Pittsburgh. What do you have to say to all the people out there on YouTube?
Probably the most gorgeous place I've ever been. Peaceful, serene. green.
And, oh, one more thing up there. See where the teenagers are? The
I
next
don't
hill
even know
up
if you see any
on the
other people
horizon.
in sight
That
in
is
this whole
called
place.
a Maori Park or a Maori
And it's
castle.
low 70s.
And if you see it has big
I don't know if we
steps
can get
cut
much
into the
better
hill
than
like
this.
this.
Yeah, it's a really
So
nice day.
At the end of each
Temperature's
step,
perfect.
There was like a big
Anyways.
fortress fence.
There you
So on
go.
that part there, there's like 8 big fences wrapping all around it.
It's nothing stressful. It's just nice. Look at that. Whoa. What's going on over here? Oh. You're gonna make it into the video with this. This is the highlight reel right here. Can you eat it?
To open it.
If you feed me that orange, look at it. It's gonna go viral. Forget feeding it to me. Well, we had a great time at the farm. Spent a lot of time estimating the cost of a farm like this. It was purchased back in the 1930s, so the price might have been a little bit lower than it is now. So good investment. Good job, Kiwis. Okay. Hey guys, this is Levi.
Hi guys,
Where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
Where's that?
It's in the middle of Western Europe, I guess.
Never heard of it.
Between Germany and Italy and Austria
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
France, so kind of, yeah.
So Levi's from France. Do you have anything to say to all the people out there on YouTube?
I hope you really enjoy Dawson's little videos and his clips, and we're enjoying having Dawson and his family here with us at YM Mata Mata. It's great.
Yay!
We love his humor and his wisdom.
Wow.
And his kids are so fun. So
This is the kind of comments I like. I want more people like this. All
so
right.
yeah, sign up, like
Yeah.
the video, and
Like
do
it.
whatever you need to do.
Like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Okay, bye.
Oh yeah, subscribe, not sign up. Yeah.
Sign up on the sign up on the blog. Bye.